Make your mark to supersize and grow your business. X marks the spot. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression for supersize your business today is to make your mark. Means, of course, to find your calling, do something important or something to get noticed, become famous, make the world a better place, do something, I say positive and incredible, although some people like to do negative things. But how do we go about making our mark? This is an idiom and expression that has been around for a long time. I absolutely could not find an origin of it. There isn't really an origin of it. Searched on Google, of course, and ChatGPT, even checked out Bing, and didn't get a definitive origin of this particular idiom and expression. Although most of us know what it means, right? Nowadays, with all the people that want to be internet famous and influencers, making your mark seems like what millions and millions of people are after. So how do you go about doing that? And how does that impact how we grow and build and supersize our business? Well, we want our businesses to get noticed, right? That's why we do personal brands and business brands, and we want our careers to grow, which is why we have personal brands. But in order to do that, we have to know why we're here. What do we have to offer, and what's our purpose? What makes us different from every other person and every other business and every other company and every other service provider and every other product out there? We have to know that. What is our what's unique about us, what's special about us, and what can we do for people, and why would they want to interact and do business with us anyway? I found a really interesting article about 16 ways to find your calling and make your mark. And if we know our purpose, if we know why we're here, it makes it really easy to present that to other people and engage with them, especially in a business environment. So I'm going to share these 16 ways really, really quickly so I don't talk too long. Then my question today is, what is unique and special about your business and or you that encourages you and helps you and in supersizing and growing your business? Share that in the comments below. So here are the 16 ways to find your calling and to make your mark. Number 1, listen to your internal compass. 2, step out of your comfort zone. 3, pay attention to your body and how doing new things and trying new things makes you feel. 4, try learning new things on your own. 5, take note of your dreams and things that seem like coincidences. I know all of us, if we've been in business for any amount of time, have had things that just seem like serendipity and coincidence, and new customers come into our life just as an old customer is leaving. We lose a key employee and the perfect person just falls in our lap, etc. Number 6, express yourself however works for you. Each of us are different. Each of our businesses are different, and how we communicate and put who we are out into the world is totally up to us. 7, reflect on things that you enjoyed as a child and pay attention to your customers and what they enjoyed as a child and how you can use that to grow and build and supersize your business. Prioritize wellness in your life, all areas and aspects of your life. Limit distractions, unplug from social media, journal to record your thoughts and notice patterns. That's why I encourage us to do SWOT analysis on a regular basis for our businesses, so we know what's going on and we have a feel for what is working for us and what isn't. 12, spend time outdoors. Number 13, follow your values. 14, think about your transferable skills and skills that could be used in different areas and aspects of building and growing your business. 15, be patient and understand that it's a journey growing and building and supersizing your business. It's a journey figuring out what makes you and your business unique and special enough that other people will be attracted to it. And finally, 16, listen to the thoughts and the guidance of others, right? Tap into the power of people that have done what you want to do before. Masterminds, coaching programs, take courses, find different educational programs, read books, continue to educate yourself and learn from people that have gone before you. So that's it. That's just a quick list to think about today. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, share in the comments below what is unique and special about your business. Have a great day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.